In this video, I'm going to be building a push stick and a few push blocks for a table saw. First, I grabbed a scrap piece of a 1x4 out of my wood bin, and I'm now drawing a design for the push stick. Now, I'm cutting out that design with the bandsaw. I'm cutting about 1/4 of an inch away from the line, and then I'm going back and cutting on the outside of the line so I have enough room for sanding. When sanding, I used 120 grit sandpaper. For the handle, I made sure to round off the corners for a comfortable grip. I took the push stick over to a vise to finish up the sanding. Now that the push stick is finished, I'm going to make some push blocks out of the same materials. Each push block is going to be 6 inches long and 3.5 inches wide. Alright, so now that I have my blocks cut out, I'm gonna sand them, and then I'm gonna build like a C handle so I can use that to grab on with some offcuts. My handles are gonna be 2 inches tall and 5 inches long. Once I had my design, I used the bandsaw to cut it out. Alright, so now I'm just gonna sand it down and make 2. Alright, so before I glue the handles onto the blocks, I'm gonna spray paint everything beforehand. So I only have 2 colors for spray paint, green and black. So I'm gonna paint this one green, this one black, and then I'm gonna add like stripes onto the push block. For the push stick, I'm wrapping tape around it to get a clean edge with the spray paint. Alright, so now that the paint's dried, I'm gonna attach the little handles. So what I'm gonna do is mark them out and then score with an X-Acto knife within that box just to get a little better bondage with the glue. And I'll do that with both of them. I ended up using a nail to score the wood, but you could use anything that's sharp. I'm now attaching the handles using wood glue and clamping everything down with clamps. Make sure to wipe away any excess glue. So now that they're done drying, you can nail them in with 1/4 inch nail, just straight through the back for a little bit more support while you're pushing them. So I know you could have bought these items from a store, but I think it's more fun to build something that you're going to frequently use. In the next video, I'm going to be testing these. So with that, thank you guys for watching.